Hello everybody and welcome back. So for today we're going to be playing a psychological analog horror game titled The Fridge is Red. Don't know that much about it. All I know is that it's a liminal space PSX retro style. I can't believe I'm saying retro. It's a horror game. I know that it's several stories wrapped into one game, so we may cover one or two for this video, but let's not waste any more time and let's get started with The Fridge is Red. As you can see, the fridge is red. Let's start. What? Okay, are we... Oh, I didn't even know I was... Okay. I don't know. That's a creepy doll. I'm gonna go with this one. What is this? Is that eyeballs? Eyeballs and entrails? Oh, what does it say? For daddy to work. Man, I just got done. Oh God! Stop!
He hung up.
Oh, I'm glad that they hung up. Nice. Okay. I'm digging this. Liminal. Creepy. By myself. What? Whoa! Who are you? Oh no, that's our friend. That's our friend. We've got a friend already. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, you can interact with all this. Cool. Very nice. Looks like I can't pick up those pills. This money? Ooh. Mine. You picked up a quarter. What?
What? It's 11 p.m.
What?
I have to go home.
What? Everybody's like, what? Seaside. Chocolate pudding? I don't... Oh. That doesn't look like chocolate at all. Unlocked a new chapter? Okay. Okay, yep, I guess we're turning that off. Well, I don't... Oh, can I interact with my I can with my chair. Friend. Okay.
I have to turn off the lights, or the cleaning lady will grumble again.
Is that the cleaning lady over here? You better be turning the lights! Ooh. Friend. Why is it red? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't need that. Alright. Okay, what was that? Wait, what the heck? Turn that off. Oh my God, what is happening? Why am I in the dark? Please. Get in the elevator. Look at these beautiful works of art. Go home. On the top it says, go home. So we're going home. Hey. I could use a snack. Sure. Bobby, Bobby. Is this like pizza drink? What is that? You feel good. Thank you. Oh, hey. I wanted to go in there and not go home yet, I guess. Red? Oh, like AI portraits or something. Okay. 9. We're going to floor 1. Let's go. That beeping sound is gone, thank God. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a nice, chill elevator, right? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Who was that? Oh, somebody's approaching. In a wheelchair? What? Hello? Oh! Are they in here with me right now? Hello? I just hit F for flashlight. Okay. Well... Can we stop? Oh, man, that was a bad idea. All right. Okay. We're going places. I wonder where we're going. Where we're going, we don't need an elevator. Stop. I guess I can call, maybe? Okay. Can you hurry up? Oh! What happened? I'm gonna get out on my own. What are you talking about? Wait, there's an eye? Oh, wait, the button? Can I do something with this? Oh, pick it up. Can we just... Oh, no. Sorry about your eye, buddy. Lovecraftian monster behind the button panel. So sorry. Oh, again. Oh, he's mad. Oh, he just ate the button and that's it. Sure. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Operator. Kind of cozy. You know, if we're going to be stuck here for a while, we might as well just chill, right? Another one. All right. You know what? We're going to go ahead and get back in there. That sounds like a trap, so we're going to do it. Okay. Let me change the music. Wait, what do you mean? That's how we change the music. Are you handing me a flashlight? Oh no! I'm so. Oh god! Oh, god. Oh no! Get me out of here! Oh, please! Please stop! Stop this! Stop! Oh, it actually worked. Please get me out. Please, I want to leave. Oh god, he's still here. Okay, all right. Technical floor. All right. Keep looking back at him. Is he still there? Yep, I'm still here. Ooh. Oh, wow. I hate Steam. I love Steam, though. I love my Steam Deck. It's great. What was that? Start the... Okay, well, we can't go in there. Oh, how convenient. We have a door that has opened for us. Okay. Almost said safe lounge. Safe lounge! That's all I want is safety. Okay, we can't go that way. Oh, I guess we're going this way. Ooh. Those are just my steps. Okay. Stop it with the steam. Perfect. generators that way. So obviously we're good. That's a lot of blood. All right. Oh, okay. Is this for that thing? Oh, we're getting rid of the steam blood. What was this way though? Wait, there was nothing. Okay, so always trust your gut when you're playing video games. I don't know what kind of advice that is, but trust it. Especially all your guts that are soon going to be spread across the floor in this game, apparently. Hello, locker room. Oh, hey. Hey, you're a person. Like how I turned off my flashlight just so that I don't shine their eyes. Oh. Dang, I guess I need money. What are those? I need some cash. Where's the cash at? Ooh. That's a key for the locker room. You don't mind if I play this Wait, where are you? Wait, what? Where'd you go? Wait, where is he? What happened? What? Alright, well, he's gone. Oh, God, be careful. Yes, please. Did I just see John Carpenter? That's cool. A flashlight. We've got dual flashlights. Drink. Every day. Give me that one. Wait, I thought I heard something. Have you had enough? I guess you have. Wait. Oh, there you are. You enjoying that book? Oh my God, what is wrong with your eyes? Jesus. Well, it's a really interesting book for sure. He dies at the end. I'm sorry. I don't mean to spoil it for you. Hey. All right, so that is, what is this? Not a snack. Oh. It's an ID card. Tim's pass. Thank you, Tim. Just bang on that door for good luck. Okay. What is happening? What is that sound? What is happening? Can I not pick that up? I guess I can't. What is that sound? Oh, God. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of blood there. I guess we have to go this way. Hello. Oh, hey. This is it. Probably. I like this. I like this style of game. This is cool. I don't like whatever I'm hearing. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Steam. Boop. Perfect. Ah! All right. So it is time for us to go back to the elevator. Go back to the elevator. Hey. Okay. Hey, I did not tell you to do it. Hey, it's my buddy who I can't put a button back, so he's going to be looking at me eternally. Hello. He is done with me. I am so annoyed. What does this say? Find the code on the tape. And we're moving. And we're gonna die. Oh, is it like a videotape? Is there a code here? Oh God. Okay. 9 1 0 910 9 2 910 92 9 1 0 9 2 9 1 0 9 2. Okay. Oh my god. Hey, it's still an interesting book, huh? Okay. God, those eyes. What is that sound that I'm hearing? That has to be it. That is the creepiest sound. What is this? What is this? Oh, that's the person who came up to us in a wheelchair before. There's a little doll there. What is with the squelching? Let's watch this again. Hello. 9 1 0 9 and then 2 910 92. Should we hit stop? Should we close? Oh, okay. 91092. Did that work? Did that work? Did that work? That worked. Okay. It was I was dead set on that code. Okay. Those bodies? Oh god. Okay. Hello. Oh, friend is back. And there's another friend. There's a lot of friends here. Hello. Oh god. Okay. Well, I'm grabbing this. That's not gonna work. Do I do something with a crowbar? Okay, that's... Hello. Hi! Hello, everybody! The hand has been moved to the elevator. Oh. It says number 1 in there. Okay. So... we're collecting hands. I'm assuming for another puzzle. Hey, buddy. Hey. Don't you... What are you doing up there? Can you calm down? You're screaming. Come on. Can you... Give me your... Oh. Okay. That was scary. I wonder... Hold on. I just have to know. I have to know. What happens if we get really close to you? Oh, okay. For science, right? We have to know. We have to know. I think I saw another one of these vending machines somewhere over here. Something. Yep, there we go. Another buddy. Hey, what's up? Give me a high five. Boom. My hand. That is mine. Okay. We got 2 more left to collect. There's a friend. Did we do the vending machine? Hey, buddy. Oh, we got a vending machine over here. Looks like somebody wants a high five. Okay. He did not. All right, we get 1 more left. Is that another one? Oh, we already got this one. Oh, no, we didn't. Okay. Time to go back to the elevator. I am lost. I'm assuming it's this way. We will find it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Hello. Okay, I'm not ready for this. Oh, wait. Okay, it says solve the riddle with hands. So just as I suspected, they have numbers on them. Each one of them has a separate set of digits that are up. So I'm assuming, hopefully I'm right, the first one will be number 5. 5. The second one will be just 1. The third one will be 2. 2. 2. Oh, no! Stop. Call it back. What are we supposed to do? I messed it up. Okay. I still hit 3. No! Let's try that again. All right, so 5. Then 1. Then 2. Then 1. No, that's actually 2. That's actually 2. There's 2. There's 2. Hold on. We messed it. Oh, hi. Oh, there's a lot of friends. Wait, what? I'm buried. What is happening? Okay. Close it. Oh, that was a bad idea. Okay. Now I can't even tell. Okay, so 5. 1. 2. 2. 0. It worked. Okay. I was a little nervous. I accidentally hit 3 because it said 3, even though it was 2. I knew it was 2, but you know, on the way to the buttons. What is that? On the way to the buttons, brain. You know. All right. Goodbye, my friend. It was nice knowing you. Hope you find something else to do with your life instead of staring at me. All right. Oh, that thing is gone, whatever that is. We're going outside. We're going outside. Okay. It's the fridge. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, so is that like just... Oh. Just the stresses of everyday life? Well, that was interesting. So looks like there's a couple more episodes on there that I do want to cover. However, that's all the time that I have for today in order to go through this game. I'm glad that we were able to solve those puzzles. So if you guys are having issues with those puzzles, feel free to use this video for that. I'll go ahead and mark it as a bookmark or something like that for all of you. A bookmark? A what? A timestamp, man. Come on, a bookmark. Oh my God. Okay. Anyway, I also wanted to say thank you to tinyBUILD for giving me this key in order to play the game, review it, and show it to you all. I had a blast playing this, and I am looking forward to covering the rest of the episodes within this game. I'm really enjoying the style. This PlayStation style horror stuff that I'm seeing is so much fun. I really love it. It brings back a lot of memories for me. And then I'm really enjoying the liminal aspect to this as well. It seems like we're tackling a lot of everyday stresses. So now it seems like we covered the work from 9 to 5 while dealing with an emergency with a family. So it seems to be kind of touching base with a lot of personal experiences that most of us have had to deal with within a stressful environment like work or anything like that. And honestly, I really enjoyed when horror games do integrate any sort of relatable aspect to our lives, because it just kind of pulls us in a bit more. It kind of hooks us in a whole lot more than usual. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to catch us next time. I hope to see you again, and as always, take care. Peace. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.